Hello, what's going on? And how are you? Today I am going to share smartphone NV files. Which is absolutely free. Which is difficult to find anywhere else. But your brother has painstakingly found these files and presented them here. Every phone has a security partition, some use NV files. And some use EFS or QCN files. These files contain phone serial numbers and specific data store, which is not available in the smartphone firmware. And on reading the need for these files, it tells us to copy these files from the SIM. The network problem of the phone can be solved with the help of these files. And can repair phone serial numbers like IMEI number and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth serial numbers. Hope you will subscribe this channel. And will like the video. Remember in prayers. Then we met in another video.